Hola amigos. So I'm currently in Mexico. As in Mexico, I will give you a small Mexican padlock. At least this one says that it's made in Mexico. It's a Phillips model 112. It's a 40 millimeter lock, and I found it in the engineering. One of the engineers left it there, and I asked him if I can borrow it for the night to play with it. And he said, sure, go ahead. He didn't give me a key, obviously. And yeah, I don't think we need a key. So let's see if I can open it. There we go. Open. So this Phillips, well, it's not made in China, but it's not really good quality at all. 4 pins, no security pins, open. So good fun for a few minutes. Okay guys, thanks for watching and keep it Lego. Cheers.